For Achari Aaloo, firstly I have made a masala. For that I have roasted some coriander seeds, cumin seeds, red chilies and black cumin seeds and made powder. Boiled potatoes and peeled off the cover. Made a mixture of curd, ginger, pickle and that masala I made. After that added red chilies, cumin seeds and black cumin in the well. Added boiled potatoes, salt, turmeric, jeera powder and remaining homemade masala. Added curd mixture, saute everything for few minutes, added water, waited for the consistency I need and served with khichdi. You can serve it with roti also.